Are you struggling to verify your identity on Cash App? You're not alone. This common issue can be frustrating, but today I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve it quickly and easily. Cash App requires identity verification for security reasons. This typically involves providing your full name, date of birth, and address. If you encounter issues during this process, don't worry, we have actionable steps to help you out. Check your information. Ensure that the details you are entering match your official documents. Any discrepancies can cause verification failures. Make sure your phone number and email address linked to your Cash App account are up to date. This can often resolve verification issues. Open Cash App and tap on your profile icon. Select support, then start a chat. Explain your issues clearly. I cannot verify my identity. The support team is there to assist you. If chatting is not your preference, you can call Cash App's customer support. Find the contact number on their official website and explain your situation directly. After reaching out, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates for customer support. Don't let verification issues hold you back from using Cash App effectively. By following these simple steps, you can resolve the problem swiftly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Remember, staying informed is key to navigating digital platforms smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.